Hey there. Thanks, everyone. I'm Spencer. I'm from Ascent RegTech. T mentioned this earlier. We host the Python lunch break. Thanks, T. So that's the last Thursday of every month. We've got one coming up on the 28th, I believe, March. So for more information, check out Meetup. I'm going to talk just very briefly about how we use Python at Ascent. I'm not online, so the slides don't get very large, but we'll manage. Cool. So at Ascent RegTech, we basically make regulatory compliance easier. As you might imagine, reading through long blocks of text from the SEC website or whatever is pretty onerous, and companies pay lawyers a lot of money to do that, and they still don't get everything right. Anyway, and so we're building a better user experience for them, so that compliance officers can actually do their jobs, actually follow the rules better, and ultimately increase their accuracy of compliance, reduce their cost of compliance, and reduce their fines. So to do that, a lot of the work we do is actually work on the text itself, features for that customer app, but actually probably about 75% of our investment, and especially our tech spend, is on internal tools, where we combine human expertise from lawyers and other folks who look at this regulation, and then we also build a series of machine learning and NLP models and so on to help accelerate that. So we use Python largely for everything on the left side, which is all of our data ingestion, our data processing, some internal tools. We use Django and Flask for, and then all of our machine learning is done in Python, and our machine learning API layer is Python as well. So here's a bunch of logos of libraries we use. You're probably familiar with most of these. I'm just going to look a little bit more deeply at how we set up our machine learning service. So this is getting a little bit more technical. Okay, so we have an internal tool built in Django on the left side, and then that will make a request through Amazon's API gateway. We have some Python sitting in the Lambda that kicks off jobs, and then we have Elastic Container Service that has a series of Docker containers, and these Docker containers have the actual models on them. These models sit in very lightweight Flask apps that basically will read in the model files and then do a series of pre-processing, prediction, and post-processing on that data and whatever stuff that happens to be in to make predictions to help accelerate our workflow. So we use Python. My team and I use Python every day. So that was pretty lightweight compared to the other speakers, but thank you for listening to me, and please come check us out. Thursdays, last Thursday of every month, Ascent RegTech, and thanks for listening to me.
You sell yourself short. That was lightweight but thorough. I liked it. As we get set up, next up is going to be Ben from Active Campaign. But do you want to stick around for a question?
Sure.
Anybody have a question right now for how they're using it? Go over here. Shout it out.
I'm just curious why you use Lambda and then go to ECS. Why not call it ECS processes?
Why Lambda? Can you repeat the question? Okay.
Yeah, so the question is, why do we have a Lambda sitting between the API gateway and the actual, why do we have a Lambda sitting between the API gateway and the actual ECS cluster? So we need something, the API gateway just passes requests. It doesn't have any execution logic in it. So we need logic that actually tells a task to spin up on our ECS cluster. The other thing that I didn't really talk about is job queue, which we also have. So it's a very simple, just basically when it sees a request, then it says, hey, here's a request, here's the type of model that it needs, run this model.
Basically, the Lambda is just for communication.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Good question.
All right, one more round of applause.